All right, 3-point lab part 2. Green Globs is installed on all computers in the computer lab. When you double click on it, where it is found in the upper left-hand corner of the desktop, it will open the program which actually houses a number of other programs in one package. The one um, you will need of you will need for this assignment is the equation grapher. Open up that program by clicking Programs and then clicking Equation Grapher. You might want to read first how to write equations before actually using it in your labs. You'll find how to write equations in the Equation Grapher menu, along with various windows sizes available for graphing equations on. Um, you'll use this size window. So let me show you what I mean by that. So I'm going to move this, minimize that, and I'm going to go here, open it. So you'll have something like that in the computer lab. You'll click on it and then you don't need the welcome screen. So under programs, you'll see equation grapher. And then up here, there's instructions how to write equations. You can read through those. All right, I'm going to close that though. The graphing grid, you can use a graphing grid that's 2 pi to -5. That's more for like trigonometry, if you're graphing trigonometric functions. Um, you could use -8 to 8. We're going to use this one. Okay, so there it is. Now, if I want to graph an equation in here, I go y equals, um, say 3x minus 4. Based on what I see here, the 4 tells me it should start down at -4. The 3 being the slope tells me it should go up 3 from there, up 3 and over 1, up 3 and over 1. Let's hit graph. And there you see it. It starts at -4 because that's the y-intercept. And it goes up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. Okay? So that's how you use the equation grapher. Oh, all right, I'm back. I had to answer the phone. Now, the only thing about this green globs thing, I'll notice that as I move my mouse, the thing down here changes according to its location. It's a cool program, but the only thing it's lacking is it doesn't have, um, well, it doesn't have a print screen command under file options. So you'll have to do the following things to show me your results. And I'll just show you on, instead of reading these off to you, I'll just tell you. Um, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find the print screen button on your keyboard. What the print screen button does is print screen slash system request. It takes a picture, a screenshot of whatever's on your screen. So I'm going to hit that right now. And because I hit it, now I can go back over to any document I have open and I can paste. And you see it just pasted in this huge picture of what was just on my screen by hitting the paste button. And you can size it however you want. I can shrink it. All right, so that's what was on my screen on the other page. You can see if I go back to that, there it is, and there's the small version. All right, so what are you going to do? You're going to open a Word document and change the page orientation to portrait. Why? It'll accommodate something widescreen like this better. How do you do that? The page orientation. Let's find out. Let's open a Word document. Office, Microsoft Office, page layout, um, page color, page border. Where do I want margins? Nope, maybe not there. Under home. Let's look up here. Print, print preview. Oh, it's under orientation. There we go. So I just changed the orientation to that, but that should be under here too. Orientation, there it is. So I can change portrait to landscape. Okay, so you want it in landscape, and look at this. Now I can paste into here, paste, and same thing. Okay, so you'll do that. Um, I don't want this open. You'll type in your name and date along with the title Geometry Lab. Go to green glob screen that you're trying to print, and once it's on your screen and ready, hit the print screen system request key. This takes a screenshot of your work, which you can then use Control V, or you can then paste Control V. That's a shortcut into your open Word document. Go back to your Word document and paste it, sizing it appropriately to fill the space. You can also mess with the zoom stuff before taking the screenshot, but it shouldn't be necessary. If you keep pasting to the same document, you can save it all as one file, which is great because then you can email it to me or print it off and then hand it to me. Okay, now the lab. A lot of this you can do without using the green glob's equation grapher tool. In fact, you could do the whole thing and then go graph it. But if you made a mistake, that mistake would not be revealed until the end, and that's never any fun. So you actually want to go and graph it as you go. You can graph it by hand as well, but my preference is you use this tool because unless you're using a ruler and you're being very accurate with your graphing, um, it won't actually show you if you did it right. All right, moving on. I'm going to stop that.